Since our founding in 1908 as a college to promote innovation in farming techniques, SUNY Morrisville has stood for equality and opportunity, admitting both women and men from its first years. Today, we continue to lead the way in hands-on applied education, providing graduates with everything they need to be successful leaders in their fields. As we look ahead to the next 100 years, we see a future just as bright and storied as our history. We are excited to build that future together.
The mission of the Campaign for Morrisville is to provide a best-in-class applied education that's accessible to all students regardless of their background, and which provides the necessary student support so that each student can find success in their degree. The campaign will ensure that each student is prepared to hit the ground running the day after graduation and make an immediate impact on their industry and their community.
After graduation, I hope to be able to become an urban planner in the field, and then with my renewable energy degree, be able to work in policy and help champion local, national, and global transition to renewable energy.
By investing in academic opportunities here at SUNY Morrisville, you're not only investing in the students, you're investing in really our industry partners' sectors. You're helping the economy statewide, regionally, across the nation by providing graduates that are work ready and ready to make a difference in their fields.
I don't think I would be able to get through each semester without the support that student government gave me, whether that be working with some of the student leaders, with clubs and organizations on campus, or just being able to have personal conversations with people on the executive board.
Student success is really all about meeting our students where they're at. We have students that are coming from different places, different backgrounds. Every student needs individual resources on campus. We want also our students to feel that they belong here on our campus, regardless if they're a commuter student or a residential student. This should feel like a second home to them.
The Campaign for Morrisville is an exciting opportunity to accelerate our progress and transform our college, providing new programs and student support, academic opportunities, and scholarships.
The students are out there. They're ready. The only gap that they have is the financial gap. With scholarship assistance, they can come to Morrisville. They can get a world-class education and leave here ready to instantly enter the workplace.
As president of the college and someone who has been affiliated with Morrisville for nearly a quarter of a century, I can state with confidence that this $15 million campaign will provide for transformational opportunities in areas of academic program, student support, and success for our graduates.
There has never been a better time to support SUNY Morrisville. We're entering a new era and laying the foundation for the next 100 years of applied, hands-on education. But we can't do it alone. We invite you, our family, friends, alumni, donors, to be part of this transformative campaign that is going to change the future of our college.